Welcome to my channel Crochet Skills. In today's video you will learn how to crochet a birdhouse. So we will start with the slip knot and chain 20 plus 3 stitches. Into 4th stitch from the hook I will work 1 double crochet. I will work 1 double crochet in all these stitches. At the end I have 20 double crochets. To begin the next round I will work chain 3 and 1 double crochet into every stitch. Row ends on this stitch. Then I will work chain 3 as the first double crochet. Into the second stitch I will work a double crochet and 1 double crochet into all these stitches. This is the last stitch, that was chain 3. I will work a double crochet into this stitch. Round 4 starts with chain 3 and 1 double crochet in every stitch. This was the last stitch here. So these are 20 double crochets of this row number 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Into this 5th row I will work chain 3 to begin the round, and into this back loop. Every stitch has 2 loops, so I will work into these back loops 10 double crochets. I will leave these double crochets. I will only work into these 10 double crochets. I will work into the back loops. Then I will turn my work chain 3 and 1 double crochet into every stitch. The next stitch would be chain 3. The next row starts with chain 3 and 1 double crochet into every stitch. Again chain 3 to begin the next round and 1 double crochet into every stitch. As you can see, I worked in groups of 4. We worked in here in 4 rows with 20 double crochets, and after that into this 5th round I worked into these only back loops, then 1, 2, 3 and 4 double crochet rounds, and then into this 5th round of these 10 stitches I will work again into the back loops only. Then I worked 1, 2, 3 and 4 rows of 10 double crochets into the whole stitch. Then this 5th row I will work again chain 3 and I will work 1 double crochet into the back loops of the stitches. So this is how I will work the last 1, 2, 3 and 4 double crochet rows. So it will look like this at this point. As you can see, I worked in group of 4 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. So this is my floor of the birdhouse. This is one, this is the second one, third one, and here is the 4th one. As you can see, this is very simple. You can make 4 walls and this piece separately, but it's very easy to work together. Just be careful while working and you can have your same result. So this is very easy. I hope you can understand it, how I worked. So now I'll tell you how to close it. Okay, as you can see, into these back loops, as you can see, there is a line. So this is for, as you can see, it's the normal stitches, it can't bend, but into these lines where we work the only back loops, you can see it's bending properly. There is a line which can divide these stitches very well. As you can see, the next line is here, so it's easy to shape it in a square. So I will make slip stitches and I will close it. Now we will just make sure that these back loop lines should be upside. We will attach these 2 pieces first and then into this side. Okay, we will just attach it into the very first stitch of these both pieces. As you can see, work a chain 1 and into the 1 loop of both. I will take 1 loop from this side and 1 from that, and then I will make a slip stitch. Okay, we will work till the end of this piece. 1 slip stitch into each of the next stitches until I have attached this piece along here. So I will reach it here and then I will tell you what to do the next. Okay, as you can see, I have completed my row. Now I will attach this piece with this wall. We just make sure that into this line I will attach this. We have to properly make a slip stitch here, then into these two pieces and then into this side. So I will tell you when I complete these 3 lines. Okay, as you can see, this is how I will attach these sides and it's completely looking like a square. This is how all the 4 walls and the floor is completed. Now I will tell you what to do the next. You can see this triangle. Now I will tell you how to make this triangle. We will work into this opposite sides and the same triangle here. I will just make a slip knot on this yarn, attach it on the very corner stitch. As you can see, I'll just attach it. Okay, and chain 1, work 1 single crochet here, and as per our convenience we will work 1 single crochet on the top of these single crochet stitches. As you can see, into every double crochet we will approximately work 2 single crochets, because this will work as a horizontally. So into this corner stitch I will work a single stitch. Now just chain 1, turn into this first stitch, just go into the stitch, pull up a loop, into the second, go into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull it through all the 3 loops together, work 1 single crochet into next stitches except last 2. When you will see there are last 2 stitches left, we will just go into the stitch, pull up a loop, go into the next last one and pull up a loop, pull it through 3, chain 1, turn, go into the stitch, pull up a loop, into the next 3, work all the 3 loops together. Now we'll work 1 single crochet into every stitch except last 2. So this is how we will work continuously, and then we will just decrease stitches from both sides. As you can see how I am working. As you can see, I have only 2 decreasing crochets, then chain 1, turn, go into the stitch, pull up a loop, go into the next, pull up a loop, pull it through all the loops together. So you can see this pointy edge, so my triangle is completed. Okay, as you can see, I have done with my work. So now I will just work 20 rows, 20 half double crochets, and 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 rows. So now I will just check the size. It will be adjusted here. Now I will, with the help of yarn and needle, I will sew these both sides and these both sides with this triangle. So then I will show you how it looks. Okay, as you can see, this is how I will attach it here, and then into this, from this side I will fill this ball fiber in it. Tightly. We'll just fix it in here, and then we'll just attach this piece here the way we've attached this one here. I will complete it and then I will show you what to do next. Okay, as you can see, I've sewed these both sides and these sides as well. So this is how this basic house is completed from all the sides. So this is the door. It's very simple. I will paste it here, and this window this side, and one should be this side. So then I will show you how it is completed and how it looks. Okay, as you can see, I've sewn this window and door on it. So my birdhouse is completed. I hope you have liked the tutorial. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.